this is the question. If the coefficient of x square and x cube both are zeros, I thought I explained. In 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 3x power 15, then what is the value of a and b, right? So you can see here there is no power. Do you have a power? No, no? Do you find any power here? No. So what I can do here, I can multiply here 1 into 1 minus 3x to the power of 15 plus ax into 1 minus 3x power 15 plus bx square into 1 minus 3x power 15. Is it clear? Right? Right. Now you have to find coefficient of x square and x cube. Okay, first I will go for coefficient of x square. Then I will go for coefficient of x cube. So first my target is finding coefficient of x square. Finding coefficient of x square in above. Right? In this coefficient of x square means which term will be? Directly by seeing, tell me. You don't do calculation, don't do like R1, R2. You want to do R1, R2 combination? You want to do R1, R2, R3, like should I explain R1, R2, R3 or can I do direct? Direct, okay. Okay, na? Right? Direct, okay. So direct is what here? This I can write as 5C2. 5C2 I will get. Is it second term I will get? 5C2 what I get here? In this expansion, 15, sorry. 15C2 1 power 15 minus 2, right, in this expansion, and minus 3x to the power of 2, right, r, NCR x power n minus r y power r. So I will get this is 2. Is it clear? Clear hai? Sabko? Na a direct hai, right? So this is you got plus. Here a is there, so we'll keep a. X is there. If I have x, what I required inside? X I required. I require x. So what I write here? 15C1. 15C1. What I get here? 1 power 15 minus 1 and minus 3x power 1. Is it clear? Right. Plus b into. I have outside x square. But inside I required what? X square. We are talking about x square. So inside will be what? 0. Right. First term. So what I write here? 15C0. I can write 15C0. 1 power 15 minus 0. And here I will get how much? Minus 3x power 0. Is it clear? Clear, sir? Yeah. So now I don't write x square now. To make you understand, I wrote. Right. Now what I write here? 15C2 means 15 into 14 divided by 2 into 1. 1 power anything is 1. Smash, and this is 3 square plus, correct? X square I am not writing. Coefficient only I am writing. So a into 15C1 value is 15. 1 power anything is 1. And this one is minus 3 power. Minus 3 power 1 is minus 3. I am not writing x here. No need to write x. Okay. So only coefficient we have to write. Plus b into 15C0. 1. Right. 1 and 1 power anything is 1. And this is the power 0 also 1. Correct. So what I am getting here? 2 1s are 2 7s are. 135. Thank you so much. You are so good. 135 plus 135 into 9 plus 45, right? Minus 45 into a plus b. Correct? Right? 15 into, now 15 to 45a and b. This is the coefficient of x square I got. What is said here? Coefficient of x square both are zeros. Means this is equal to 0.
Sir, 15 sevens are 105.
Huh?
15 sevens are 105.
105. हाँ होता है सो 45 a plus b is equal to, no problem, it's okay. So that is how much? Come on 945 plus minus, okay, here minus, so here minus 945, right? So this is one equation, sir. Now you multiply with minus, so what I get finally? 45a minus b is equal to 945, one equation. Okay, clear? So next part is what we do here. Next part is what? Coefficient of Ismay. We are going to find coefficient of x cube. Okay, coefficient of x cube we will find. Okay, sir. So coefficient of x cube means, in this x cube means third term, right? Third term. So what I write here? 15c3 1 power 15 minus 3 minus 3x power 3, correct? Plus ax, I'll write, okay, fine. Here what I get? 15c2, है ना 15c2 1 power 15 minus 2, same thing, na? This is only, right? Only I have to write separate. Nobody is saying, no? Minus 3x whole square. Arey, same na? This one same, only this power change. Only power change. Next, plus bx square into 15c0. Correct? 15c0? No. X square na, inside xl 1, 15c1. So here I did anything, 15c1, bolo sir, 1 power 15 minus 1 and minus 3x power minus 1. Yes, minus 3x power 1, right? Yeah, so what I get here, this value I am going to get 15c3, calculate. 15 into 14 into 13 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 and 1 power anything is okay. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. Okay, na? Is it understanding, right? Plus a into 455. Complete. And this minus 3 square is how much? 9. Correct? बोलते नहीं ये लोग. 15c2 into, this is 9 plus b into 15c1 is 1, 15 into minus 3. Coefficient of x cube I am taking, x cube I am ignoring, right? Correct na? Is it correct? Right. So tell me. Tell me, what's the answer? 12285. Sure? 12285 plus minus. Okay. This is it. This one? 945. 105. 945 into nothing there. A should be there, na? Yeah. 52. Yeah, A should be there here. Into A, right? A into 15c2 into 1 power and this is, right? So it should be A, right? Right, next here minus 45b. This is equal to 0. So 945a minus 45b is equal to 12285. This is equation number 2. So what we do here, if you solve equation 1 and 2, you will get a and b values. So a comma b you have to find. So this is can be done, right? You can do it, right? Right? पूरा बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है. Next time we'll keep like this. Now it is appearing. Okay. So next we'll come in next lecture.